Before I move forward with this trading system, I wanted to share with you a couple of more trading opportunities that happened recently, and just walk you through some charts and share my thoughts regarding supply and demand. And currently, I'm looking at the German DAX 4-hour chart, and as you can see today, we saw this breakout here, and again there was this supply area, which was the resistance level on top of the chart here. And as you can see, there is for now no reason to believe that the price might actually fall down and reverse direction, although this might be the beginning of a reversal trade. But before that, I need to definitely see a signal from the daily time frame. So if you go to the daily, what you can see here, I actually wrote on my blog at this level here. I was thinking that the price is going to go lower, but then you started having all those bearish rejections, then a couple of pin bar, like very small pin bar like candles, and or actually looking like dodges. So then when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the price was pretty much locked between those two boundaries here, and it didn't really go below this level. So having said that, and considering the daily rejections, that didn't really give us an indication that the price is going to go lower. But now I'm actually looking at the daily chart, and what makes me think is that if, for example, we see a inverted pin bar candle here, we might see further selling to the downside, and this might lead to either a major continuation of the downtrends or just a small correction towards the 11,000 area. What else I was looking at today is the British pound versus the US dollar. So we saw a bit of selling pressure today, and actually I've been watching this pair for quite some time now. There was a very small supply zone which actually formed here at the top of the chart, and you can see that what happened was that this area was followed by this bearish engulfing pattern, which actually led to further sell off, and then there was a bit of a range trading area, and today we saw this breakout to the downside. There was not a very clear sign to actually trade this this currency pair from the 4-hour chart. When you go to the daily chart, I'm actually more like seeing a bullish scenario now. If the price reaches these levels here, it looks to me like a demand zone, which a lot of buyers would be actually looking to possibly go long here. But again, I would like to ideally see the price dropping slightly below this level of 1.2800 before I start looking for a price action confirmation, and possibly turn to the 4-hour chart to actually see if I'm going to spot such a confirmation. Another interesting pair to check out is the Euro US dollar, and if you go to the daily time frame, you're actually going to see that the this pair has been range trading for quite some time now, and this is one minor supply area, and you can see that the price actually bounced back from this area a couple of times, and currently actually we're having this demand area here. It's really rich in buy orders. Seems like the price is not really, it's very hard for the price to and the market participants to make up their minds and choose one direction. That's why usually I don't really recommend trading those tight ranges unless you're eager to to actually buy at the bottom of the range and sell at the top of the range. And maybe if you see another price rejection around the level of 1.1550, then you might consider shorting it, and vice versa if you consider if you see the price dropping below the major support level of 1.1200 and forming a bearish price confirmation. Some market participants might actually decide to go contrarian, although when I see such a downtrend, it's actually harder to pick a bottom, and it's riskier. What else I was looking at today? Let's check out the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, and what are we going to see here is a couple of things. First, we have this demand zone here, which formed a couple of sessions ago, and we also have the major supply area here, and we can currently see that the price is just playing with this area, and I will continue actually monitoring for further indication of if, let's say, the price goes above this level, then I'll be more eager to actually start thinking of possibly selling the Kiwi US dollar. And if the price drops down to the level of 1.68 around this range and possibly goes below this level and forms a bullish confirmation signal, then I'll be considering going long the Kiwi dollar. But for now, I'm not really seeing a clear indication of if we should go long or short. It's just the price is just locked between those two boundaries and waiting for more clarity before we can actually continue with our analysis.